Hello everyone, it's Victory and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I talk about popular market trends, break down strategies and share my trading sessions. And now I ask you to like this video and share in the comments below so more people could easily find this video on YouTube, and make sure to subscribe to not miss out on my new videos. In the description below this video there is a link to my Telegram channel, and you can easily DM me to get a special link to sign up for pocket option with a bonus deposit. All to make it easier for you to start your own way in trading. And there is in Telegram, I will also share with you the link to my private Telegram channel where I share the best winning signals every day. Today we will trade on a different time frames and make trades at the different times and of course analyze it. So let's trade. Today our trade will be 2 minutes. We are now on a 2-hour time frame. We see that the price is in a slight sideways movement, but if you look at the chart in general, the price is falling. The amount of our trade will increase to $500. So 2 minutes, $500 in a down trades. We wait for the appearance of a new red candle and make our trade. On the chart, you can see that the market was rising up to a certain point, and now the price is in a gradual decline. Now we can observe a slight fluctuation in the price values. We see red and green candlesticks alternately. The price goes up and down, but if you look at the charts as a whole, you can see that the price is going down, meaning that we follow the price and make a down trade. Let's zoom in on the chart to see more details. The price is going up a little bit, but the red candle has strong resistance and doesn't let the value go up. The price will still go down for some time. That is, the price will manage to fall enough in 2 minutes for our trade to close at profit. The time of our trade is 2 minutes. The trade value is $500. The possibility of profit is 92%. Pay attention to the fact that the value of the price continues to fall and there are only moments left before our trade closes. Great, our trade closed at profit and our balance increased by $460. And 2 green candles in a row appeared on our chart. That means that the price has pushed away from a support level and it's about to start its growth. We'll make an up trade also for 2 minutes and for $500. That is, we understand that the price cannot constantly fall or rise, and exactly now our price has pushed away from the support level, turn around and most likely will grow for some time. A red candlestick appears on the chart, but here we see the growth. That is, in 3 minutes, the price is sure to push back and gain good growth, setting the chart to 2 minutes. It is convenient for us to analyze the chart even on a 1-hour time frame. We can also switch to shorter time frames to see price behavior in more detail, as you like. Great, our profit was $460, 2 minutes and a deal of $500. The upward trend continues and we make a deal for another $500 for 2 minutes. The upward trend also continues. We can clearly see the support level of the price, and that is, the price changes direction. It cannot constantly fall or rise, wherefore any drop in price is followed by a rise, just as any rise is followed by a fall. And our job is to follow the price and look for the best times to enter trade. So let's change our tactics a little bit and not wait for the close of this trade, and let's make the next trade on a $500 price increase and 30-second price increase. Okay, but the price fluctuates a bit. A red candle appears, and maybe 30 seconds may not be enough time for the price to rise enough. Let's observe. Let's change the time to 1 minute. And let's make a new trade on price increase. By the way, our previous trade was almost immediately on the upside. Great! And another $460 to the balance. Let's enlarge the chart a little to see the price movement in more details. There are some red candles, but the next green candle shows quite confident growth. Just a few moments are left before we close our trade. And yeah, we're at profit again, and another $460 in our pocket. We observe a small fluctuation, and the green candle appears again. Yeah. And let's make one more deal for a minute as well on price increase. That is, if we zoom out on the chart, we can see that the price is in a constant wave-like movement. The support level changes, the resistance level changes, the price movement changes. And especially in our case, the price is in an upward movement, that is, it's growing. Perfect, and again we are $460 plus. And a total is 5 trades in a row at profit. A great result. In this video, I told you how to trade on a different time frames and how to analyze the market and what principles I used to determine the moment when to enter a trade. And I really hope that this video was clear and useful for you. If you like this video, I'd be very grateful if you like this video and leave nice comments below so more people could easily find this video, and it would be very helpful for me to raise this video on the YouTube search results. You can also find the link to my Telegram channel in the description below this video. In my Telegram, I share with you a special link for the registration on Pocket option and a gift deposit to make it easier for you to start your own way in trading. I will also share a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my best winning signals every day. That's been it for today, I guess. I wish you best of luck and successful trades, and see you in the next video.